Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike. Show you mini garage door, truck door section. Yeah, this is a little mini one. Only about 70 inches long, 11 inches high. We got her done. New lock installed, obviously. New bottom rubber. And then we saved this guy some money. We moved the hinges over. You could see where they were. These areas in here, the wood was super uber soft and mushy. We pulled some busted hinges off and they were really bad. So that's what we did there. Reused everything else. We're going to just show you a little bit here on the inside. Here's the new section. Okay, new hinges all over there. And this one here, they got a lot of grease in the tracks, so we didn't want to add any more of that. We got a new bottom fixture retainer, pull rope, the whole 9 yards, right? And we do these type of repairs all the time. We got one of the guys sweeping up right there. One of my right-handed guys. We're in here, hot, over here, and here's the lock. Here's his lock. We just kind of stickered it up. Pull this down. Okay, push the lock over. Sorry about that. And then we put his lock on there, and there it is, the mini truck door section. Thank you, JB Sounds and Stage Decoration. Bless you guys. Thank you for your business. Hope you're prosperous the rest of this year. If you guys need sound and stage decoration, call those guys. There's the phone number, 429-3098, 847-612-4319 for all your party needs. Call these guys up. They're awesome. Thank you guys for your business. We appreciate that. We'll get you back on the road rolling so you guys can go make some money. So thanks for coming in. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, questions, whatever on truck trailer door repairs, give us a call, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, check us out on Google, check us out on Nextdoor, check us out on the interwebs. We'll help you out any way we can. This is going to be a quicker video, but that's it. Mini truck door replacement, 11-inch by 70-inch panel. Innovative, 630-271-9343. Thanks, guys. Thanks for all the subscribers. Bless you all. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our truck trailer mini door section video.